In YDS experiment, source is placed at d by 2 from the central line. This is the central line. D, they have given the distance between S1 and S2, and this S is at d by 2 from the central line. Mean it is straightway from S to S. So see here, D1 they have given 1.5 meter, D2 distance between this sources and screen, D2 they have given 2 meter. P is any point from the center line at Y meter. Lambda they have given 6000 angstrom, and small d, the value of d they have given 6 mm. Here we can see d is much smaller than capital D. So we can take a approximate position. So first question they have asked, find the position of central maximum. So see here, actually if S source is at the central line, so O be the position of central maximum, but the position of X is not on lie on central line. It will below d by 2 from the central position. So what will be the path difference coming from the light S, which is passing through S1 and S2, reach at any point on the screen? If that path difference is 0, so that will be the position of central maximum. So see here, due to if you are taking two parts, I am taking this right hand side from this S2 S1 source line, vertical line, and this S I am taking left hand side. So what will be the path difference S1 and S2 in right hand side? So you will see D is greater than small d, much greater. At approximate position right hand side, the path difference from S1 and S2, the S2 is greater path, mean S2P minus S1P. So by the formula we know X is small d upon capital D. So here X is Y is small d. Distance between this upon capital D, they have given D2. So that is path difference in right hand side from this position. Left hand side, what will be the position? Here you will see left hand side S1S is greater. The path difference. Here you will see S1S minus S2S. So that will be approximate. Same formula if I am applying here. So this Y I am taking this position. This is Y1. So Y1, D is the distance between the source upon here distance is D1. Here you will see the Y1 is what? Y1 is from the center position. What is the displacement? So that is D by 2. They have given Y1 is equal to what? D by 2. So D upon D1. So this path difference S2 is greater than S1. Here S1S is greater than S2. So this will shift downward, this will shift upward. So net difference, net path difference, net path difference should be 0 for central maximum. So that is 0, mean this path difference is equal to this path difference, mean S2P minus S1P is equal to what? S1S minus S2S. So this part difference is what? YD upon D2 is equal to DD upon 2 D1. DD cancel out. So Y is equal to what? D, this D2 come here upon 2 D1. Achha, what they have given? Small d they have given 6 mm. 6 into 6 mm means 6 into 10 raised to minus 3. D2 they have given 2 meter, and 2 D1 they have given 1.5. 1.5. Solve it. 2 into 1.5, 3 2 ja. So that is 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter or 4 mm. Here, second they have asked to find order of interference formed at O. At point O, we have seen the central position is at 4 mm. तो कह रहा है at point O what will be the order? First order, second order, what will be the order of interference pattern at O? So firstly we have to find the path difference at O. What will be the path difference at O? Path difference at point O. To see here from the figure, if you'll see, to S1O and S2O. S1O and S2O both are same. Mean right hand path difference is same, but left hand difference, so that is S1S minus SS2. So path difference at O, right hand 0. So left hand is what? S1S minus what? SS2. This I have find it here. S1S minus S2, that is Y1 D upon D1. Y1 is displacement from the central downward, that is D by 2. So D by 2 D upon D1. D they have given 6 mm. D into D, that is 6 mm. So 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 square upon 2. Capital D1 they have given 1.5. So solve it. That will come about 6 into 6, 10 raised to minus 6, 2 into 1.5, 3. So 3 2 is 6, 12 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter. So that is path difference. So how we are finding the order? So path difference is equal to n lambda. If path difference is equal to n lambda, so this n is the order. Here n is the order. Here path difference n lambda is equal to what? 12 into 10 raised to minus 6. So n is equal to order 10 raised to minus 6 divided by lambda. Lambda they have given 6000 angstrom, 10 raised to minus 10. Solve it. So 10 raised 12 into 10 raised to 4, any this divided by 6000. If you'll see 6 2s, so that is 20. So order of central fringe is, because path difference is n lambda, this is 20 lambda, so order will be 20. See here in third C question what they have asked, S is placed at the center. This S they are putting at center. Find the maximum thickness of refractive index. Mean source S1 S2, this S they have taken at the central line, dotted line. This will be the screen. Correct. Thickness of film of refractive index 1.5 be placed in front of S2. In front of S2 they are putting a slab. This is the slab whose refractive index is 1.5. So intensity at point O, at that point intensity becomes how much? 3/4 of maximum intensity. What we know? Intensity at any point is equal to what? 4 I naught cos square 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is phase difference. 4 I naught is the maximum intensity, or you can say I is equal to I max cos square 5 by 2. So here they have given I max. Intensity is 3/4 of maximum. I they have given 3/4 of I maximum. So I maximum cancel out. So you will see cos square 5 by 2 is 3/4, implies cos 5 by 2 is under root 3 by 2. So that's why 5 by 2, 3 by root 3 by 2 is pi by 3. That is pi by 6, 30, cos 30 degree. So phi is equal to how much? 2 pi upon 6. See here, if I want to find the path difference, this is phase difference. So x upon lambda is equal to what? Phi upon 2 pi. If you are putting here 2 pi upon 6 into 2 pi, so path difference x is equal to what? Lambda upon 6. If lambda by 6 path difference at point O, so that time what happen? The intensity is 3 by 4th of maximum. We know if we introduce a glass slab, what happen? Path difference due to glass slab is equal to what? Path difference due to slab formula is mu minus 1 into t. Optical path will be mu t. So that is difference is mu minus 1 into, that is path difference. So that should be equal to how much? Lambda upon 6 for the intensity 3 by 4. If we'll solve it, so t is equal to what? Lambda upon 6 mu minus 1. Lambda they have given 6000, 10 raised to angstrom minus 10, 6 mu they have given how much? 1.5. 1.5 minus 1, solve it. So 6, 1000, 10 raised to minus 7, 1.5 minus 1, that is 0.5. 0.5 mean 1 by 2, so that is 2 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter, or you can say 0.2 micrometer. If you are introducing a slab of width 0.2 micrometer, what happen? Intensity at central point becomes 3 by 4th of maximum intensity.